Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact security error and the systems it affects. This matters because targeted fixes avoid unnecessary changes. Once you have admin access, make a fresh backup and note timestamps so you can compare before and after. Make sure logs and screenshots are copied to a safe location, and list user accounts, IPs, and services involved. Now, open the logs and filter by the error code. That first actionable step shows where the problem originates and what protocol or port is implicated. You now correlate log entries with recent configuration edits or patch installs. This explains why the error started. Once done, reproduce the issue in a test environment using the same inputs and timing so you can safely experiment. Make one change at a time, adjust firewall rules, rotate credentials, or patch the vulnerable component, and immediately recheck logs and functionality. Keep detailed notes about which change affected which symptom. That habit speeds verification and prevents chasing transient causes when the root cause is already fixed. You finish by validating the fix across users and services, run integration checks, and confirm normal traffic and error-free logs. Make sure to restart impacted services and clear caches, because stale state often hides lingering problems. If something breaks, roll back your last change and restore the backup you made earlier, then compare pre/post logs to isolate the regression. One key troubleshooting tip: if the error persists, replay the exact failing request while logging verbose output, so you capture the missing detail needed to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.